In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an average deal size report in Salesforce. This is a valuable skill for anyone looking to gain insights into their business's sales performance and make data-driven decisions. Understanding the average deal size will help you better assess the health of your sales pipeline and identify opportunities for growth. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. If you're not already on your homepage, simply log into your Salesforce account and head there. This sets the stage for our task today, as we'll be working within the familiar interface where all your data resides. Once on the home page, go ahead and click on the Reports tab. This is your gateway to accessing and creating reports within Salesforce. It allows you to extract meaningful information from your stored data and is a handy tool for tracking metrics like sales performance, customer interaction, and more. Now, in the Reports section, find and select All Opportunities. This report will pull up all the opportunities you have recorded in Salesforce, which we will narrow down and analyze for our specific goal today. With the All Opportunities report open, click on Edit. This action will enable you to customize the report according to your needs. Editing reports in Salesforce is intuitive and allows you to tailor the data display, applying various filters to focus on specific aspects of your operations. Next, we need to refine our data further by selecting the Filters option. Filters are crucial because they help you hone in on the specific data points relevant to the question you're trying to answer, in this case, identifying the average size of closed deals. Here you'll choose an opportunity status. For our purposes, we're focusing on deals that have been closed won. This specific filter will give us information relevant to only those opportunities that have been successfully completed, thus providing accurate insights into our average deal size. After selecting Closed Won as your filter, don't forget to click on Apply. Doing so commits the filters to the report, altering the data displayed accordingly, and is a necessary step to ensure your report reflects precisely the data you wish to analyze. Now, let's proceed by focusing on the Outline panel. This section organizes your data visually in the report, helping you understand its structure at a glance. Becoming familiar with the outline view is beneficial for quickly identifying key metrics and trends in your datasets. In the outline, locate the Amount column and click on its action settings. Here you can adjust how the data is summarized. Choose Summarize and then Average. This selection changes the way data in the Amount column is aggregated, providing an average value rather than a sum or count, which lets you determine the typical deal size. Finally, you're ready to click on Save and Run. This not only saves your report for future reference, but also generates a real-time display of your newly configured average deal size report. And there you have it. You now know how to create an average deal size report in Salesforce, giving you valuable insights into your sales activities.